Oh.
It's like 10 a.m.
Can I look like this?
9:30.
You said 10:30.
I said 9:30.
Either way, I look like this. We didn't sleep very well last night. It was hot.
You slept?
I don't think so. All of a sudden there was light and I was like,
I was like tossing and turning all night.
I know. Every time you moved, I think I woke up.
I woke up every time I had to turn. And I was like, what the fuck?
I couldn't get comfortable. I was hot. I was pressed up against the wall for most of the night.
Yeah. It was kind of hugged up the whole bed.
In my defense, I actually tried not to.
Now it's
He's a motorcyclist.
I mean, he's one of those cool guys, like the older guys.
He's so cool. Oh my god, he's so cool. He kind of scares me, but he's so cool.
He probably also has no children.
I also don't have any children.
Neither do I.
I have a cat.
Same. And you got a hamster.
So do you. We're at the beach now. Fit check. Just kidding. Fit check. He like, I don't. Oh my god, there's like a freaking a dinosaur.
Oh yeah,
The Loch Ness monster, my guy. I'm actually quite excited. I don't know if it's gonna be cold or not. Probably, but we're gonna jump in anyways. I'm not taking this off. Or maybe should I? I don't want to take it off. That's my husband. Frogs? Nah. You know what? I'm going home. Bye. Kaden. Look.
I'm lazy.
I have a towel, and she's laying on like a blanket.
Yes, this is my beach blanket. Don't judge me.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
I probably am.
See how tan I get.
I'm gonna go lay down in the shade.
I wanna go home, bro. I'm tired. I didn't sleep at all last night.
Neither did I.
So then why are we here?
Because the bee. You're the one that said, oh yeah, we should go first thing in the morning.
Okay, but that's not my decision to leave first thing in the morning. We didn't leave first thing in the morning. We left at like 11.
No, we left at like 9:30.
Oh.
We were like over here by like 11.
Oh.
And then we got at the beach at 11:30. Like we were already in the country at 11.
Oh. Yeah, it's now or never. Get in there. Have a good time.
Happy guy.
Happy time. Oh! And I'm back in my room after a long day. I just showered so I look like crispy cakes. But yeah, I drove back, so there wasn't much for me to film because you shouldn't be on your phone while you're driving. But that was my beach day. We really didn't do much. We kind of just got there at like 11 and then stayed till like 3. And Kaden and I went in the water a little bit, but the water was cold for me. She didn't seem to care, but it was cold for me. And then we basically fell asleep on the beach. So I am pretty tanned. Not that I wasn't before, because I think we know why I was already tan. But yeah, so now I'm actually feeling kind of sick because there was a lot of sun and I fell asleep in the sun and I didn't wear sunscreen. So I'm kind of aching. I didn't wear a hat and I didn't drink water. So now I'm kind of feeling a little sick, a little icky. But that's okay. I'll probably just fall asleep, take a nap or something. watch some TV. I took off my nails. I just broke them off. One of them broke off and I just didn't have the mental ability to put it back on. So I kept it off. But that's the end of my video. I hope you liked it. I like to I'm vlogging again. Those like little days that just make no sense. Vlogging those. Have you went to the beach yet? Let me know down in the comments. This was my first time going to the beach this summer, so that's fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. YouTube things, you know, share with a friend if you want to. I would recommend. I'm freaking gorgeous, so of course. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, love, and cookie crumbs. Love you. We're doing great. Bye.